Some stories don't begin with life. They begin when life is almost gone. This plant was forgotten, abandoned, left behind. In the cold rain, its leaves were dry, its roots were weak, and little by little, it was fading away. Most people would walk past it. Most people wouldn't even notice. But sometimes, all life needs is one more chance, one moment, one decision, one act of care. The damaged leaves were removed. Fresh soil, clean water, warm sunlight. Day after day, something changed. Slowly, life returned. A tiny leaf appeared, then another, stronger, healthier, greener. What once looked hopeless began growing again. Not overnight, not instantly, but patiently, quietly, beautifully. Until finally, it bloomed again. A reminder that growth takes time, healing takes patience, and even something forgotten can become beautiful again, because every plant deserves another chance. Welcome to Bloom Again. If peaceful plant stories inspire you, leave a like, subscribe, and grow with us. See you in the next rescue.